United Nations Observer, Chairman, World International Human Rights Movement Rana Bishaarat Ali Khan called upon the Muslim countries to summon on the ambassador of Sweden government for the incident start for Quran strikes or start in Pakistan. International Human Rights Movement Pakistan President Rana Ghulam Nabi and Vice President Peer Malak Nisar Ahmed Awan condemned the Sweden government and President Islamabad and Division Rawalpindi Syed Fareed Hussain Shah strongly condemns bring of Holy Quran in Sweden. IHRM will organize protest rallies and programs in connection with the protection of the Holy Quran.